Hey, I'm Till Fryer, CEO of COMBASE USA, the company behind KORONA POS. We're excited to unveil the next generation of our enterprise retail solution. Retail keeps getting more complicated, with constant stream of more apps, more integrations, and more hardware options. Enterprise retail merchants face a tech stack that often feels overwhelming. You hear a lot of promises simplifying this. All-in-one solutions, powerful integrations, more transparency, but they're mostly empty. Each merchant is too unique to be able to succeed with a generic solution, especially in the enterprise world. That's why we've built the first headless POS. We call it POS Next. We have taken the backbone of what we have always done, facilitating secure, compliant, and accurate transactions, and merged this with a truly custom ecosystem for enterprise business operations. You can rely on having a system that's easy for your cashiers and consumers. Your managers can automate their inventory and reporting, and you can trust that transactions are reliably and securely processed. But now there's far more control over workflows and journeys. You can do more. And since the more is different for each growing retailer, POS Next offers true customization. Smarter ordering powered by AI, integrated loyalty and delivery, e-commerce connections, self-checkout systems, smart shelves, and avenues for upselling, new payment methods and devices, hardware flexibility for different operating systems, and so much more. It's the solution your IT team and operations team have dreamt of, and the solution most non-IT folks didn't even know was possible. No more limitations, clunky integrations, or one-size-fits-all. POS Next combines reliability and expertise with an innovative transaction platform that's designed for modern needs. We have spent years listening to what merchants need to scale, run more efficiently. And we have spent years building it. Now it's here. See what's next for retail technology.